Welcome to the Kingdom of Morocco, where the wild heart of Africa beats beneath the gaze of Europe. This country is a stunning mix of lively markets and wild landscapes, where busy Medinas meet the breathtaking Atlas and Rif Mountains. Here, amidst the snow-capped peaks and verdant valleys, secrets of nature unfold, revealing a story of resilience, adaptation, and coexistence between humans and wildlife that has been playing out for millennia. Join us as we embark on a journey through this hidden world. We will explore the sanctuaries of Morocco, where the spirit of adventure lingers and the whispers of ancient ecosystems echo through time. A natural treasure at the crossroads of continents. Morocco is like a bridge between two continents, Africa and Europe. It's where the cool air from the Atlantic Ocean meets the hot desert winds. The Rif and Atlas Mountains, especially the High Atlas, are like natural treasure chests, full of rare plants and animals. You won't find these treasures anywhere else in the world. These mountains, they didn't just pop up overnight. They'd been around for millions of years. And here's what's really cool. They've been around for millions of years. Here's what's really cool. These mountains are kind of like islands in the sea. They have their own unique animals and plants because they're separated from other wild places. That's why when you go higher up into the mountains, you meet animals that live only there. For example, you can see monkeys called Barbary macaques. They have cool red cheeks and love to hang out in groups. There are also gazelles with twisted horns called Atlas gazelles. And if you're lucky, you might spot a majestic Atlas lion. But how do these creatures survive in such harsh conditions? It's all about adapting to the mountain climates. The air gets colder the higher you go, and these animals have thick fur coats to keep them warm. The mountains also have lots of rocks and rough terrain, so these animals have strong legs and sharp claws to help them climb and find their way around. Plus, there isn't much food up in the mountains, so they have to be quick and clever to catch their prey. Just imagine trying to find food when the weather keeps changing from rainy to snowy and sunny. Life in the mountains is tough, but these animals are up for the challenge. Amidst the majestic backdrop of the Atlas Mountains, nestled in the heart of Morocco, lies a sanctuary that has remained virtually untouched by human hands. Here in this pristine wilderness, an extraordinary array of flora and forest ecosystems thrives, offering a glimpse into the raw beauty of nature's untouched landscapes. As you traverse through these mountainous terrains, you will encounter a mesmerizing spectacle of cedar and oak forests that blanket the slopes of the Middle Atlas. The Great Cedar. Forests cover vast expanses of land with their towering trees that have stood the test of time. The aromatic scent of cedar permeates the air, creating an enchanting ambience that stirs the soul. Beneath the canopy of these majestic trees, a rich tapestry of life unfolds. The forest floor is carpeted with a diverse array of plant species, each contributing to the delicate balance of this intricate ecosystem. The Atlas Mountains, with their rugged terrain and unpredictable climate, present a unique set of challenges for survival. Yet amidst these hardships, life finds a way to flourish. The hardy mountain goats, known as bouquet or bouquet in the local dialect, gracefully navigate the treacherous cliffs and rocky plateaus, their sure-footed agility allowing them to thrive in these seemingly inhospitable conditions. These resilient creatures, along with other mountain dwellers, showcase the tenacity of life as they adapt to the harsh realities of their environment. In the higher elevations, the landscape transforms into a sea of grasses and shrubs, creating vast grasslands that stretch as far as the eye can see. Here, grazing animals roam freely, their presence shaping the contours of this dynamic ecosystem. The changing seasons paint the mountain slopes in a palette of colors, from the vibrant greens of summer to the fiery hues of autumn, creating a breathtaking spectacle that draws nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. The Middle Atlas is renowned for its rich biodiversity, housing a plethora of plant species, many of which have found refuge within its borders. Among these botanical treasures, certain varieties like the Moroccan oak, Atlas cedar, and Juniperus phoenicia stand out as endemic, meaning they are found nowhere else in the world. These unique species not only contribute to the ecological integrity of the region, but also serve as indicators of the overall health and biodiversity of the Atlas Mountains. The forests of the Middle Atlas are not merely scenic backdrops, but are integral parts of the local community's cultural and economic fabric. The indigenous Amazigh, also known as Berber communities, have deep-rooted connections to these forests, drawing sustenance and resources from the bounty they provide. For centuries, the local people have harnessed the medicinal properties of plants found in these regions. Integrating traditional medicine practices that have been passed down through generations, cedar wood, with its distinctive aroma and durability, has been prized for its use in construction and furniture making, providing both aesthetic appeal and economic opportunities. Sustainable forestry practices have been employed, ensuring the preservation of these valuable resources for future generations. Moreover, the forests play a vital role in regulating water cycles, preventing soil erosion and mitigating the impacts of climate change. By absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, these ecosystems serve as carbon sinks, helping to maintain a balance in the global climate. The scenic beauty of the Middle Atlas has also made it a hub for ecotourism, attracting adventurers and nature lovers who seek to immerse themselves in the region's unspoiled landscapes. Trekking, birdwatching, and exploring the diverse flora and fauna have become popular activities, providing both entertainment and economic benefits to the local communities. In conclusion, the forests and mountains in the middle of Morocco are more than just pretty places to look at. They are homes to a wide variety of plants and animals, some of which can't be found anywhere else in the world. These areas are important not only for the plants and animals that live there, but also for the people who call this place home. Protecting these special places and finding ways to use their resources in a way that helps both people and nature is essential for keeping this beautiful part of Morocco wild and thriving for generations to come. Morocco's high Atlas Mountains are home to the rare and elusive Atlas bear, a subspecies of the brown bear. These majestic creatures, with their thick fur and distinctive features, are a symbol of the wilderness that persists in this mountainous terrain. However, Atlas bears face a multitude of threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts, including habitat restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and community engagement, are crucial to safeguarding their existence. Moreover, the establishment of protected areas such as national parks and reserves has played a pivotal role in providing safe havens for these bears and other endangered species. Through continued conservation and protection measures, it is essential to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the sight of these magnificent creatures roaming the rugged landscapes of Morocco's high Atlas Mountains. Your journey through Morocco's untamed wilderness has come to an end, but the spirit of adventure and the wonders of nature you've experienced will linger in your heart. If you enjoyed this exploration of Morocco's hidden gems and want to continue discovering fascinating travel destinations, don't forget to subscribe. As always, thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep keeping wild.